All right, here we're on the LINQ, and I have heard good things about the Yard House. I never tried it. And here is Maxie's breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Well, the Yard House does have a second floor, I guess for the overflow crowd, which is good. So there are various shops on the LINQ Promenade. You have restaurants, shopping, bars, comedy club. Here is Jimmy Kimmel's Comedy Club. Never been inside it, but I think years and years ago I met one of his relatives who was working at Warner Brothers. This is a long time ago. If you want the that 4D adventure, you can try this. Now I tried one recently, and I got motion sickness, which was surprising because it was the only second time in my life that I ever got sick or felt sick. First time was in Tokyo riding a train once, and well, it was actually in Kanagawa, and then on the 4D ride. Here is a place called the Favorite Bistro. It's a good place, and they got like a $5 happy hour from 2 to 7. Very nice. For those of you, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. And there is In-N-Out hamburgers, and their lights are not working properly. That's doing well. Now they're going to open up a ice bar here. It's one of those bars which has a, it's like a big ice room below zero, and typically the ones I went to always served vodka as the drink. So been there, done that. Then you got Ja burritos, American beer and cocktails. I drink here a lot. Well, been there a few times, and it's a good place, but loud music. Check this out. Dun, 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 dun. Mm-hmm. So good place. You got your whatever it's called, 4 square or 4 Connect 4, I guess, giant size. Jello shots. Flour and barley. Get some pizza and pasta. It's a well-known place. I'm sorry, has a very good rep for taste, from what I've read. Harley Davidson. Harley baby, la da da da. I like girls who, anyway, that's an old song. Now here is Virgil's BBQ and Bar. And they have live music, I think more than one night per week. I ate there once a while ago. You know, I had a pork pull sandwich, I think, but my issue was, I believe it was too noisy. That was a problem. It was really loud, the music was. Then you got the Tilted Kilt Pub and Eatery. Girls in short skirts. Hey. And then blah, 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 blah. This is your tourist shop. Get your Las Vegas wear here. And it's called, well, I don't know what it's called actually, but the big sign says, "Welcome to fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada." For those who are wondering about copyright, this sign, I believe, like the Las Vegas sign, I believe was created in the late 50s. And the woman who created it, I believe she did not put a copyright on it. And that's why you can see all these Las Vegas style, you know, signs everywhere. And here is, what's to the left? Oh, this is a place called I Love Sugar. You know, I guess it's not completely open yet. Oh crap, wait a minute. It's not open yet, but I guess it's a candy shop. Huh. This is the Barney bar, and it's very cold right now, so there's no one really outside. A few diehards. But this is part of the O'Shea's, which can be extremely crowded and very, very, whoa, see those birds come by? Anyway, okay, so I guess I Love Sugar is almost open, but not quite yet. Next up is Chayo. This is a good place. They have great chips and salsa, really tasty. And there was a sparrow. Hey, little birdie. I always thought when I became a geezer, I would become a bird watcher. Of the wing type, not the two-legged. All right, here's the Flamingo. To the left is Gordon Ramsay's fish and chips. And to the left is, I'm sorry, to the left was Gordon Ramsay, and to the right is the gelato shop. Quite tasty from what I hear. And those of you who want some bath treats, a place called Nectar. It's a nice place, and it's interesting. A lot of their products look like tasty food. For example, check out these bowl scoops. And if you saw this, it looks like ice cream, and you feel like, man, I want to eat that. Oh well, but it's not ice cream. And there's Hout Doggery, you know, high-priced hot dogs. The LINQ, Entrance Hotel Casino. And the ubiquitous Starbucks is everywhere. Isn't it funny, when Starbucks first came to Tokyo, to Japan, some folks thought that it would not survive because Japan had a very heavy smoking culture in coffee shops. And Starbucks was non-smoking, so they figured that, you know, it wouldn't really work. Now also, there is a, they call it up here, well, I call it like a flying fox, but no one's there right now, where you can hop on the, oh, there's somebody there. You can hop on the, you can hop on and fly all the way down to the high roller. So, looks like a lot of fun. And of course, you got the spray painting people doing their artwork. All right. And I believe that is just about it. You got the ladies with their whistles, you know, trying to entice some customers. And that's it. Hey guys, all right. I thank you for the short video of the LINQ. And across the street, we have Caesar's Palace, and so on and so on and so on. Once again, this is one man on camera. They always say, if you see me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care, wherever you are, and have a great day. All right, you guys, this is one man, one camera. I just left the stage door. I had 2 Jack and Cokes, and I'm feeling a little tipsy. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna walk through the LINQ area, and I'll give my, my 2 cents on what's happening there, man, okay? Let's rock. By the way, the stage door, for those who don't know, is located on Flamingo, across from Bali's, and just before you get to Las Vegas Boulevard. Now, the place has very, very inexpensive drinks for the strip area. I had a Jack Coke. It was, well, I had 2 of them actually. They were $5 a shot. I'm sorry, $5 a piece. And I left the lovely bartender a $1 tip. And she's saying, hey, big spend. Just kidding, all right. Let's rock. I mean, let's walk. It's a cold day in Vegas. It is December 1st, 2019. And as always, I'm wearing short pants and freezing my cojones off. Oh, I can't say cojones, sorry. All right, let's see what's going on. I call it a Tesla charging station. You see that? Now this surprised me when I first saw it. Well, because previously this was only a just a minor parking lot for some sort of staff members or whatever, but now it's the Tesla charging station. And so, hey, if you are coming to Vegas, you need somewhere to charge your car, this must be the place. Which I presume you already have it on your in your car, or places to charge. All right.